Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Jaybird Run earbuds with Windows PC. First of all, open this charging case and remove the left and also the right earbud from the charging case. Next, we have to click and hold these two buttons right here and take a look for the indicator. It blinks red, so it means that right now they are turned off. Another step, click and hold until this indicator starts blinking green. There it is. Right now we have to release both buttons. Right now put them close to your laptop and simply go to the Bluetooth settings on your laptop or PC. And then we have to go for this Bluetooth on the left side, turn it on and select to add device. Click for Bluetooth. Okay, and as you can see, they appears at the bottom. So select them once. We are connected. Next, I can recommend you to go back to the system settings, select sound, and as you can see, the output is automatically switched to our earbuds, but the input, the microphone, it's not, so we have to click right here. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.